My name is Bridger Joy, and this is my final project, the UVC cleaning box. The idea for this project was that when you go to the doctors, especially this past year, you would go and they would have a tray of dirty pens and a tray of clean pens. And you would go and you use a clean pen and then you put it in the dirty, and then eventually the doctor's office or wherever you are would go and clean all those pens. So in my mind I thought, well, what's something that I can create using mechatronics and what we've learned this semester to make that an easier process. And so I thought of the UVC cleaning box that will automatically clean the pens for you once you put them in and dispense them at the bottom of the unit when it's done cleaning. Alright, you turn the unit on and it says welcome UV clean box, and it says to enter time for how long you want to clean it. In which case you come up here to the top keypad to type in whether you want 1 for 10 seconds, 2, 20, 3, and so forth. Once you see enter time, what you'll want to do is you'll take a pen or a pencil and drop it into the slot above where it will sit on top of the tray. It's now sitting in there and now needs to be set for a time. So for this video we'll do 10 seconds and you'll hear the buzzer come on along with the lights. Now it says that the UV clean is done and we should drop tray now, down here. In which case, you come over here to the ultrasonic sensor on the side and hold your hand within a distance, and it drops the pen, and we now have our pencil. We can then, it still says UV clean tray drop now, hold the distance a little bit further from our hand, and it now says to enter a time again, and it's reset and can be put back in and ready for the next pencil. As we said, we have the keypad here to instruct the unit on how long we should be cleaning the pen or pencil, whatever it is we put into the box here. We have the sensor on the side that determines where your hand is and how far, so we can drop the tray or reset for the next pencil. This is what the inside of the unit looks like. We have our buzzer over here to let us know how long the lights are going. We have our lights, and then all of our cords and stuff are over here to connect to the sensor. The servo motor is underneath this platform, and I've lined the inside of the unit with aluminum tinfoil tape to reflect the lights and get all sides of the pen or pencil, so that way you don't have to spin it or anything like that. It will reflect off of the aluminum in there and create the best way of cleaning the box itself, and also put it on top of the lid there, this way that we complete the whole thing. And this is the final product, the UVC cleaning box.